We're live from Chevy Chase.
Welcome back. Hope you had time to grab that second cup of coffee because it's now time for our morning chat. And today we're chatting with one of Kentucky's fastest growing medical groups.
Today's Talk of the Town is sponsored by Aptiva Health.
Founded right here in Lexington, Aptiva Health has quickly expanded to serve communities across the state with comprehensive, convenient care. And with us today is Eric Lowe. He is the CEO and co-founder of Aptiva. Welcome to the show.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so we've had some of your other employees here and talked to them, talked to a doctor, and now we are talking to you about Aptiva Health. So give us a broad overview and tell us about the services that you all offer.
Yeah, so Aptiva Health, we're a comprehensive, independent, multi-specialty group. So I know that's a lot of words, but really what it means is we're not hospital-owned, we're not hospital-affiliated, we're truly independent. And multi-specialty means we have a lot of different services, a lot of different specialties under one roof. So within our group, we have everything from access to immediate injury care. So it's like urgent care, but for injuries, so lacerations, broken bones, orthopedic injuries, to sports medicine, general orthopedics, orthopedic spine surgery, pain management, psychology, psychiatry, neuropsychology, physical therapy, imaging, a lot of different stuff.
Wow.
So that's why it's easier to just say multi-specialty.
It might be easier to say what you don't do.
Yeah, exactly. So we're not doing flu swabs and COVID tests and stuff like that, but if it's an injury or orthopedic, that's what we do.
Okay. Yeah, and I think a lot of people, when they think of injury, they think about rushing to a hospital.
Right.
Yeah.
But you guys are there and available for people. Talk about that a little bit.
Yeah, so one of the really nice things that we do for our patients, and especially here in the local community, we have a partnership with what's called the HERD app. So on your phone, you can literally download the HERD app. You can have and be connected to an orthopedic surgeon within 3 minutes for free. So it costs you nothing. If you have a concern over a potential injury, do I need to go to the ER? Do I not need to go to the ER? You can download this app, you can be seen for free, and then what they'll do is they'll collect the information, they'll send it to us, and you'll get in right away. So what we've shown over the last 5 years is we've been able to reduce unnecessary ER visits by 98%.
Wow.
So instead of rushing to the emergency room for a sprained ankle or a bum knee and getting a $1,000 bill, now you can do it for free. You can get the comfort knowing that I don't need to go to the emergency department, and you can be seen right away by one of our specialists at Aptiva Health.
That's awesome. So what other ways is Aptiva working to make healthcare more accessible and affordable? Because that's a big issue too with healthcare.
Yeah, so we're really at the forefront as far as price transparency. We have an affordable options page on our website that will actually show every single service that we have and what the cash pay price is. So it's completely transparent. You know exactly what you're going to get. You know exactly what you're going to pay. The big one that we like to tell people is MRI. You can do a cash pay MRI for $350.
Yeah.
So most people, your deductible or your co-insurance is going to be $500 or $600. If you go to the hospital, it might be $1,000, $2,000. With us, if you hurt your knee over the weekend, you want to get an MRI, you can come in, be seen, get the MRI for $350. Everybody knows what they're going to get. You know the price. The other is we have immediate injury care here in Lexington. So at our office over off Fountain Court, you can walk straight in if you have an injury and be seen right away without an appointment. We take all the different insurances, Medicare, Medicaid, commercial insurance, and we get you in right away.
Which is perfect because we're entering sports season, football season. Talk about concussions a little bit.
Yeah, so we're really leading edge in concussion care. So Dr. Mandarino that's with our office graduated from her fellowship at UPMC. UPMC was the first concussion clinic in the world. They developed what the NCAA and NFL use called IMPACT for concussion testing and treatment. We now have Dr. Ramirez that comes on with us next month in September, who will be here in Lexington treating people. And what's crazy is there's only been 40 neuropsychologists that have finished that fellowship. 2 are now with Aptiva Health. So as far as getting the latest, best treatment for concussion care, you can do that now in Lexington at Aptiva Health.
Oh my gosh. You all just keep building and building, exciting things happening. Well, hopefully we don't have to come and see you, but if we need to, we certainly will. Thank you so much. We're going to have all the information for Aptiva Health up on the screen. And don't forget, you can scan the QR code on your screen for more information on today's guests.
Today's Talk of the Town was sponsored by Aptiva Health.